Hi everybody, welcome to the 50-somethings.
We're living life to the fullest and practicing for retirement. Hello everyone, this is Bo and Lo of the 50-somethings, and today we're going to talk about, we are going to pick up our fifth wheel. It is a 29 RL 291 RL. So we're going to go pick it up. We're going to do our walkthrough and
Give a little bit of a class.
We're going to actually film that because of course we're going to forget everything. And as you can see, we're still at the house, but we have just a few days left. We're closing here in about a week.
Yep.
And we're in May right now, if you're wondering. And we're looking forward to getting started. We do have about a month here, and we're going to live in the RV, and you'll see some videos on that, just learning how to set it up, get used to living, get everything figured out before we hit the road.
I'll be working full-time off of it, so we've got to figure out how the girls are going to work with that. So.
And the girls are our two pets, Elsa and Ella, two small 50-pound dogs, which aren't that small actually.
Yep, and let me amend, full-time for now. Those decisions will come.
So we are going to go over the type internet hookup that we decided to go with. All our mistakes and hopefully some successes on learning how to do this RV life. And if you've already watched the other video, you know why we pivoted or changed over to this, I should say.
Yeah.
And hopefully you're going to join us. We're still the 50-somethings, not practicing for retirement, not saying we are retired, just taking some time off, figuring things out, and see where it leads.
Yep. Wish us luck.
Wish us luck, and take a look at the RV and the big old Chevrolet 2500 HD that we bought to pull this thing. Fifth wheel, by the way.
Yeah. So, and we still spent less than the boat. So.
Yeah, still spent less than the boat. And go back and check out the other videos, and you'll understand why we decided not to go with the liveaboard after searching for almost 2 years. Right now. It's going to happen. We just, we changed up a little bit.
Yep.
So, come on and hopefully enjoy the little adventure with us and all the mistakes, I'm sure.
Yep.
And more videos to come.
All right. Thanks, guys.